Okay guys, Modern Day Rob here coming at you. Just got a brand new transfer pump at the shop. Didn't come with instructions. We're looking for instructions. Didn't see one for this exact brand. So you know what? There's other people out there looking for the same information. So let me give you what I found. Just a quick view here. On the back of the pump, I had to put an air nipple in. The one they sent with it, my air hose would not go on. It was misformed or something with shape. So just a little product note there on it. That's a little on and off valve here when you put air in. There's your gauge, which I haven't quite figured out why yet. They said the max dispense is 50 psi, so you definitely want to adjust your pressure a little bit. Mine said, I believe, at 80 or 90 for my tools. And then you have where your suction hose and dispense hose is. Pretty simple product though. Just basically put your air hose up here. Front here, it tells you extract, dispense. Be careful once again. There was a sticker on the top of mine that was reversed. So the ones on the knob were correct, the ones on the top were wrong. That could have been very nasty if I would try to put it through it first. And then all you simply do is empty your fluid into it. You make sure it's on the extract mode. Stick it into the fluid. Make sure your valve down here is on. Make sure this air valve is on. Pull the trigger. It'll empty the fluid. After you empty your fluid, all you got to do to fill back up the transmission is get your appropriate fitting. They supply a bunch of fittings with the kit. Add it to the end of your line right here on the quick disconnect. And then go to your vehicle and very simply switch your button to dispense, and switch your nozzle, and the fluid will come back out. Alright, there we go, just a quick video on our how-to on it. I'm going to turn my air off there before I make a mess. That would be a fun video. But that's the Vevor Transfer Pump filling transmission fluid. Thank you and have a great day from Modern.